hotel room. Look at all this beautiful stuff. What's up, Abby? Abby, say hi. Hello. This is the hotel room. It's beautiful. Here's the hotel room. This is Abby and my other friend's bed, and this is Danielle, and this one took my part of the bed, but I'm sleeping there. Shut up. We're watching a random movie, and we got snacks. My friend Abby's in the bathroom, and we got stuff over here, and I'm a big mess over here. Like, I just made a mess. And these two, this is my popcorn, and my... Stop it. Stop it. What's up? Hi. We're eating food now. Everybody has their food. Anybody want to take?
If you're watching this, you're a Jew.
What do you want to say to the vlog?
He gay.
Abby, what do you want to say to the vlog?
Can I say something?
What do you want to say?
Hi. You're all big gay.
Dante, what would you like to say to the vlog? We have a beautiful view.
outside of school, so